Is CNC machining stainless steel really that difficult? Stainless steel is widely used across food processing, medical devices, automotive components, and energy equipment because of its excellent corrosion resistance and high strength. However, its machinability is only 40 to 50% based on 100% machinability for free cutting steel, which is why stainless steel is often considered a tough material in CNC machining. In my actual production experience, stainless steel tends to work harden easily during cutting and significantly accelerates. To handle this, I typically use carbide tools with titanium aluminum nitride or aluminum titanium nitride coatings, as they provide excellent heat resistance and wear resistance. At the same time, pairing these tools with a high-pressure coolant system helps control cutting temperature, improve chip evacuation, and reduce the risk of tool chipping. For cutting parameters, the cutting speed is usually set to 60 to 90 meters per minute, when the feed per tool is controlled at 0.1 to 0.2 mm per tooth. This combination prevents overheating and work hardening while maintaining good machining efficiency. With an optimized process, we can achieve plus or minus 0.01 mm dimensional accuracy and RA 0.6 surface roughness on stainless steel parts, meeting the high precision and surface quality requirements of advanced manufacturing. So while CNC machining stainless steel is undoubtedly challenging, with the right cutting tools, parameters, and cooling strategies, complex and high-precision stainless steel components can still be machined reliably and consistently. For us, this is not just a technical challenge, it's an opportunity to showcase our machining capability and accumulated experience.